Okay, good afternoon, dear children. Are you able to hear my voice? Welcome to the English class. So, dear children, now our first lesson name. So now, dear children, in the warm-up session here, what the children are doing there? What the children are doing there, dear children, now? So these children are, so here these children are there, they are playing the games. But the people, how are they? They are disabled. Okay, how are they? Disabled person. So they have disabilities will be there. Then also they are trying to learn. Yes or no, dear children? So now, are they enjoying themselves, dear children? So how many members do you like to play games, dear children? Do you like to play games? Now, in the today's homework is you have to write any 5 games. Which games do you like the most? Okay. Now you have to write it to that. So now, dear children, here some of the words has given to you. Now in this another words, abale. Abale means father. Amchi. Amchi means a local doctor who has been trained in Tibetan medicine. It's nothing but the doctor. Amchi means what is that? Doctor. Amali. Amali means, Abali means father. Amali means mother. What is that? Amali means mother. Okay. Now next, Azhangli. Azhangli. Now means respectively we can speak no fathers, mothers, like respectively we can garu, like that we can use no, that is the word for the elder person. We can give the term used as the respect, that word which is that Azhangli. Okay. Now next, Yatish, you are from 4th grade, no? Are you joined in 5th grade? Okay, anyhow you have joined, no? Let us, however it might be, then you have to learn. Next, Memeli. Memeli means grandfather. What is that? Grandfather. Memeli means grandfather. Gargarti. Gargarti means it's nothing but one of the tea here, butter tea. Jelly. Jelly means term used as a greeting. Hello, goodbye, like that, no? Greetings we can use it, no? Hi, good morning, like that, no? So in this way only they are used these words in this lesson. So these words meanings are has already before going to the story, already before then we are giving the meanings to that words. Abali means father, Amali means mother, and next, Memeli means grandfather, Amchi means it's doctor, and next, Azhangli means respectively we are respectively when we are used for the elders, that is the Azhangli. Next, Gargati means it's one of the tea. Next, Jali. Jali means now before when we are greeting to the other person, we can use this word. So let us, we have to go to the story now. Now let us read a story about a boy who helped a little girl in a very special way. Here in this story, two children are there. Who are they? One is boy, another one is girl. These two children are there. Here, this boy has how he has helped to the little girl in a special way. In which way he has helped to the girl? We can know about this story in this lesson. Okay, dear children, now we can start our lesson. Now here, listen first of all.
Chuskit goes to school. Chuskit woke up early that morning. It was a very special day and she was too excited to sleep. She eagerly looked out of the room through the window next to her bed. It was springtime in Ladakh and the apricot trees were in full bloom. 2 magpies had already begun their day and were busy looking for insects to eat. Her Amali was awake too. Chuskit could hear her in the kitchen making gurgur tea. Chuskit had been awake for the last hour. This was the day she was going to remember for a long time. Today was going to be Chuskit's first day at school. At 9 years, she had waited a long time for this. The school was not very far away from her home. To get there, you had to walk up to the main road. Just before the prayer wheel, you took the path to the left of the road that ran along a narrow stream. Near the poplar trees, you crossed the stream by jumping over the big rocks. Once you got to the other side, a short walk up a slope took you to the school. All the children of Skitpo Yul, Chuskit's village, walked to school every day and with ease. But not little Chuskit. She had a disability and could not walk. Chuskit was born with legs that did not work like everyone else's. Her father had taken her to the village Amchi and then to the doctors in Leh, but no amount of medicine had helped her walk. At first, Chuskit did not realize that she was in any way different from Stubdan, her younger brother, or her cousins. But soon, there were many things she could not do as easily as them.
That
So here, dear children, here who is that? This story is about the one of the girl and a boy, and the boy how he has helped to the little girl. We can know about this story in this lesson, dear children. Now what was the girl name here? Chuskit. What's his name? What's her name? Chuskit. What's her name once again, dear children? Chuskit. So this Chuskit is woke up early that morning. One of the morning she woke up early, means before the expected time. For example, we want to wake up at 6 o'clock, but before then only she woke up, and it was a very special day, and she was too excited to sleep. And she eagerly looked out of the room through the window next to her bed. It was springtime in Ladakh, and the apricot trees were in full bloom. Two magpies had already begun their day and were busy looking for insects to eat. Her Amalie was awake too. Chuskit could hear her in the kitchen making gargar tea. So here, dear children, one of the day, Chuskit woke up early in the morning, and why she was a very special day means because she was excited. She wants to sleep some more time, but before then she woke up early in the morning, and she looked out of the room through the window. Through the window, she looked from the room. From her room, she was looking outside. What it was that? It was a springtime. Means after the summer season we get springtime, no? So it was springtime in Ladakh, one of the village one of the city name and village name, that is Ladakh. And the now, dear children, apricot trees were in full bloom, means that kind of, it is one of the trees. It has the, now this trees has blooming, means they are produced the flowers also. Okay, it produced the flowers. So two magpies had already begun their day. Magpie means it's nothing but it's some of the birds like crow and the pigeon. Like here, this bird is also has a long-tailed crow. It's a crow like only. It has long tail. Now already started their day, means starting flying high in the sky, and these two magpies. They were very busy to eat insects. Now already when we are started our day, we are eagerly waiting for lunch and breakfast and the coffee, that like no, these two birds is also, they already started their day for searching of their food. Okay, searching of their Food. Food means what they eat, the birds, they eat insects. They are searching. They are very busy for looking for insects. Yes, this is 5th class, Yatish. Okay, dear children. Now, her Amali. Amali means already I have told you that meaning Amali. Amali means what is that? Mother. Abali means father. Amali means what? Mother. Abali means father. So her Amali was woke up too. Now her mother is also, she was awake, means she woke up, and Chaskita could hear her in the kitchen making gargar tea. Early in the morning when we are started the class, we are eagerly waiting for the tea or milk or the breakfast, no? Like that, her mother also, what she was doing? She was preparing the gargar tea. And Chaskit had been awake for the last hour. She was awake for before her mother woke up, she was awake for last hour. And this was the day she was going to remember for a long time. Today was going to be Chaskit's first day at school. And she wants to go to the school today because so that only she was for the special day of that day. Okay, she has the special day of the day because why? Because she wants to go to the school. Now that day was the special day of Chaskit. Now you are also eagerly waiting for when you are joined in a new school. You also very eagerly waiting for that, no? So how was the school? How were the friends, and how was the teachers? Everything we can think about that one, so that before when you woke up 7 o'clock, then on that day you woke up early, because you will get some of the tension, and you are very excited to join in the new school. You are very excited to carry your new books and new friends. You want to join your new friends, so that you are very eagerly waiting for that, no? Like that only this girl Chaskit is also waiting for that, and she was the special day of that day. And she was how many years old? She was at 9 years old. She had waited a long time for this, because she has some of the disabilities there. What was that? We can see it now. The school was not very far away from her home. To get there, you had to walk up to the main road. But where was the school? It was not very far away from her home. Okay, it was nearby. Her home is there. And but she wants to walk up. She wants to go by walk only, and she has to cross the road also. She wants to cross the main road is also. So just before the prayer wheel, you took the path to the left to the road that ran along a narrow stream near the poplar trees. You crossed the stream by jumping over the big rocks. But she has the disability, no? So that she can't able to. You completed. I start. అంటే ఇప్పుడు చెప్పిందంత వేస్టా? Now we will speak once they are getting. Okay. Are you able to listen to my voice? Hear to my voice? Hear? Okay. Okay. Able to hear? Okay. Fine, children. Fine. 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 Okay. 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 Now, you all know Chutkis cannot walk. Chutkis has problem in the leg. If you have any problem in the body, where do you go? We go to doctors. Chutkis also went to doctor. Chutkis also went to doctor, but no use. She took so much of medicine. She took injections, she took medicine, she took syrup, but no use. But no use at all. Chutkis was not able to walk. So Chutkis felt very, very bad. Chutkis felt very, very bad because she was not like her friend. She was not like her friend. Okay, children, next. In that paragraph, have you underlined the hard words? Underline the hard words in page number 2, paragraph number 4. Chutkis was born with legs. That paragraph. Open. Chutkis was born. Chutkis was born with legs that did not work like in that paragraph. Underline the words. B-O-R-N, born. It's not burn. Don't pronounce R, children. It's born. Born. B-O-R-N. Born. Village. 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 Not village. It's village. Should pronounce it as village. Doctor. Doctor. And the next word is amount. Amount. Medicine. 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 Realize. 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 Anger. 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 Cousin. Cousin. Underline the words, children. Cousin. Cousin means children of your auntie and uncle. And the next word is easily. And the next word is easily. Okay. Now let's move on to the next paragraph. That doesn't matter. Her abale. Abale means mother. Mother. These people in their language, they call mother as abale. What is abale? Abale is mother. It's an Arabic word. Abale is mother. Abale would tell her whenever she felt sad. Sad means unhappy. You can stitch better than any one of them and you can draw very well. Abale often brought her some color pencils from Leh. Leh is the name of a place. Like we have so many places like Nandyal, Kurnool, Hyderabad. Like that, Leh is the name of a place. So Chutki's mother told, don't be sad. Don't be sad. You are better than so many children. You can draw very well. You can stitch very well. Stitching. She is a very good tailor. Chutkis can do so many things better with her hands. She cannot walk. She cannot run. She cannot jump. She cannot hop. But she can draw. Chutkis can draw wonderful pictures. Chutkis can color wonderful pictures. Chutkis stitches all the clothes. She can make Punjabi dress. She can stitch frock. She can stitch shirt. She can stitch pant. She can do so many things. So Chutkis told, don't be sad. Don't be unhappy. Because you have so much talent. You have so much talent. Okay. Now moving on to the next paragraph, children. Moving on to the next paragraph. We'll say this paragraph and complete this lesson for today. For today, we'll complete this lesson. Chutkis would sit at the kitchen window every day and draw what she saw while her Amale cooked. She could see her family's animals being taken to graze. To graze means eating grass. Animals graze. We eat food. Animals eat, you should not say. Animals graze. Graze means eating grass. Graze. Graze. Every morning, she could see beautiful waters of the stream that flowed nearby, and she would be the first one to announce the arrival of a visitor to their house. Now I told Chutki was very good in drawing. Chutkis was very good in drawing, children. Chutkis was very good in drawing. Now you should know what all things she drew. She can draw the pictures of animals. She can draw the pictures of animals. She can draw the picture of a stream. Stream. A small river is called stream. A small river. A small river is called stream. She can draw everything that she sees in the nature. She can draw animals. She can draw birds. She can draw the sky. She can draw the river. She can draw the stream. She will always sit near the window. She always sits near the window and keep drawing and drawing and drawing and drawing. She draws so many things beautifully. Beautifully. Okay. Moving on to the next paragraph, children. Moving on to the next paragraph, let me read out. When I am reading, what should you do? You should listen and underline the difficult words in the paragraph. Chutkis used a wheelchair to move around. You can move it in any direction, forward, left, right, and even backward. Chutki used a wheelchair. Who uses wheelchair? The people who cannot walk. The people who cannot walk use wheelchair. Chutkis also used wheelchair. And that wheelchair was so beautiful that we can move it in any direction. You can move the wheelchair front, you can move the wheelchair back, you can move the wheelchair left, you can move the wheelchair right. Yes, you can do that. Wheelchair is very easy to move. You can move in any direction, children. Directions, left, right, front, back, like that. You can move it to any direction. By moving the wheels with your hands, you only needed to have really strong arms. Arms means hands, to push the weight of your body on the chair. When Abale first brought the wheelchair home, everyone in the family was excited. Yes, who brought the wheelchair? Abale. Abale means, who is Abale? Chutki's mother. Chutki's mother brought a wheelchair to her, which you can move easily with your hands, but you should have strength in your hands. You should have strong hands to move wheelchairs. Any direction, left, right, up, down. Okay, this side, that side. You can move it anywhere. And Chutki's mother brought, and Chutkis was very happy because her mother brought her wheelchair. Now last paragraph, children. Now I won't have to carry Chutkis everywhere. I can wheel her around, said Amale with tears of happiness in her eyes. And I will be able to go wherever I want, cried Chutkis excitedly. So mother was happy, Chutkis was happy because they had wheelchair to go. Wherever Chutkis want, she can go on a wheelchair. And mother easily pushed the wheelchair and took Chutkis to any place. Okay, children? Okay? Okay, hope everybody understood. Understood the lesson? Understood? Good, good, good. So after this class, I will send you question and answers. Learn